Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be a fun video if we spent my lunch break together. I live about 15 minutes away from my job where I work in Southern California, and I love coming home on my lunch break. It makes me feel so productive. I can film videos, I can clean my super messy room, I can make lunch, save myself some money. My eyes right now look so blue. Yes. And so that's kind of what I wanted to do today. I thought we could hang out, watch me clean my room because it's just a mess, obviously, and yeah, just hang out. So come along. I'm gonna probably plan on cleaning for this vlog because some reason vlogging my cleaning just makes me feel so much more accountable. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to clean this hot mess. It's not gonna be like the greatest before and after, but we'll do what we can. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with doing the thing that I hate doing the most of all because it's time consuming and annoying. And I'm gonna put away the giant basket of clothes that's right over there. So let's start with that, shall we? Empty basket. And even better, no clothes on the bed. Ignore that. Alright friends, there you have it. Not quite as much of a dramatic before and after as I would have liked, but you know what? We organized it, the basket of laundry is empty, no clothes on my bed. I will take it. So there you go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this lunchtime clean with me vlog type video. I know it's a little bit random, but I just only had an hour to clean and get my life a little bit more in order, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and let me know if you want to see more down below. As always, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!